Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a special unveil for you guys I've been waiting to do for a little while. I decided to get an Etsy account and was kind of looking around on there to see if they had any cool stuff, as far as motorcycle related content and things. And I found this page that made custom leather jackets. And the thing that caught my eye was that there was a lot of like Batman and like Harley Quinn and stuff like that. I checked it out and he had like a couple different Harley Quinn ones made that were really cool. He did one Batman one. It was like a Robert Pattinson Batman. He did a few Jokers. He did one. It was a Matrix version. There was another one, like some horror pieces that he did from movies and stuff. Really cool artwork on these custom jackets and everything. So I decided to message him and see if he would be interested in doing something a little bit different, or if he had done anything as far as like a Batman jacket, more toward like a Michael Keaton look, or like a Ben Affleck / like Batman Returns or Dark Knight Returns, that kind of suit type of deal. And he said that he hadn't yet, and he was looking forward to doing something like that, and was definitely on board if I wanted to do that. And he said, he'd love to work with me on that and throw some ideas back and forth. So I decided to place an order, and from there we kind of shot ideas back and forth. Customer service was great. As far as this goes, the place I got it from was BornStrangR is the Etsy store to get it from, and the guy that runs it, Matthew Davis, he was a really nice guy from the start. Customer service was great, like exactly what you would want for customer service. I mean, he's really hands-on the whole time, messaging me back and forth, making sure everything was good to go, and that jacket was what I wanted before he shipped it out and everything. And that was pretty awesome. I thought I hadn't really worked with somebody that was that involved, like making sure that that's something that you wanted. Like, he was willing to change things if need be, but he did an awesome job. And so we got to talking back and forth, throwing ideas around. So we decided kind of with the Ben Affleck, Dark Knight Returns type of suit type deal to kind of go with that style anyway, is what I'm saying. So we wanted the big bat on the front, so we went with the big bat. He did a really cool thing where he outlined it in like some blood drip stuff, which turned out really nice. Another thing that we added, that he added, that I didn't really think of until he kind of showed me, it was on these older style jackets. These are kind of like the classic style jackets, where you got the button up pieces up here, and it zips up like partway here and it's creased. You'll see what I mean if you don't know, the style jacket I'm talking about. But anyway, they come with like a belt kind of in the front, and he actually painted that to look like a utility belt and everything, and that turned out really cool. It was a nice touch on the jacket. Then he also threw in some like gauntlets on the side of the arms, which looked really cool. On the one arm, he added the BornStrangR, his logo and everything, and then he found out that I had a YouTube logo, and he actually painted the YouTube logo on the arm as well, my YouTube logo. So I thought that was really cool, that he had thought about that and tossed that on there. That turned out really nice. And then the back, we decided to do kind of like a big, like Batman portrait style thing, from about the waist up. And so he did a Ben Affleck style Batman there, which turned out awesome. And to add to it, I decided to kind of like the vest that I have, that I wear. You'll notice that, I have Batman on the top of that. So I asked him if we could do like Batman, in the big letters on top, and do it in the blood drip and everything, and that turned out really nice also. And so the jacket exceeded my expectations, from what I thought I was going to get and everything. And we kept in touch, like, after I got the jacket and everything. he's gonna start sending out like certificates of authenticity and everything for each order that comes. And yeah, I mean, he's on Facebook, he's on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff, and it's BornStrangR is the name, and I will put a link down below to all of his social media so you guys can check it all out, so you guys can get to his Etsy account if you guys want to buy some yourself. I've seen he's done some shoes, he's done the leather jackets, obviously. You know, we had talked about throwing the idea around of maybe him even doing a helmet for me sometime in the future. You know, if I can come up with a good idea for that one. He was open to doing stuff like that too. So I mean, it's not just leather jackets. He can, you know, he's willing to try it on other things also. So, but yeah, I kept in contact with him afterwards. You know, he's a pretty nice guy. You know, definitely one I'd like to meet and you know, go for a ride sometime. Check out some of his other stuff that he works on and everything, like all the artwork and everything, the process that goes behind it and everything just looks pretty interesting, and definitely I recommend checking out his stuff. He's also into acting and also into music and things like that, so you guys can check that stuff out as well. So well, I guess I'll just get right to it and unveil the jacket. This is the I Am Vengeance Batman motorcycle jacket by BornStrangR. Also, some things I have coming up. It's finally getting nice out, so I can finally start getting into the motorcycle videos again and getting out and riding. The snow's finally melting, so we can get back into that. I got a new GoPro setup I'm going to try out, so you know, I'll be able to talk more in my videos while I'm riding and everything. So we'll test that out, see how that works. I also got another big unveil. There's a surprise that is going to be coming as soon as it gets nice enough. So it's getting there. The past couple nice days that we've had, it's been pretty windy out. So hoping, well, windy and rainy. So hoping that the weather clears up. We're supposed to have some nice like 70-degree days coming up finally. So hopefully they'll stay nice and sunny, and you know, we can dive right back into it. And I got some cool ideas in mind, and hopefully you guys all enjoy. So